Gambling and bets. Gambling is enjoyed in many countries around the world because people like the excitement and the chance to win money. In some places, people go to casinos to play games like roulette, blackjack, or slot machines. In other countries, people prefer lotteries. They buy a ticket and hope their numbers are chosen, even though the chance of winning is very small. Horse racing is also a popular form of gambling, especially in the UK, Japan, and Australia. Many people also bet on sports such as football or basketball, and online apps make it easy to do this from home. Even simple activities like bingo or some mobile games can become gambling when people use real money to play. Insurance also uses risk, but in a different way. When someone pays for insurance, they pay a small amount of money regularly so they don't lose a large amount later. It's not a game, but it still deals with chance and protection. People gamble for different reasons. Some want to win money, some enjoy the excitement, and others like playing with friends. But gambling can be risky, especially if people spend too much. It's important to stay careful and responsible. Setting limits, remembering that casinos usually win, and not trying to win back lost money are important ways to stay safe. Online games can also make it easy to spend money without noticing. Different cultures have different rules about gambling. Las Vegas is known for its casinos, while Singapore controls gambling very carefully. In many Muslim countries, gambling is not allowed at all. Online gambling is growing everywhere, especially with young people. Gambling can be fun when done responsibly, but it should always be seen as entertainment, not a way to make money.